Hey there, friend. We've got something pretty exciting today, talking about the power of AI in education and how Microsoft is playing a starring role in this transformative journey. Buckle up because we are going on a ride through the tech landscape, exploring how AI can empower educators and enrich the learning experience. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in, chat, and maybe even get a bit reflective on the role of technology in our lives, especially education. I remember walking in as a rookie in the field, utterly fascinated by how digital tools could potentially shape how we learn and teach. And guess what? AI is no longer sitting in the sidelines, waiting for its moment. With Microsoft Azure, one of my specialties, education is evolving, and AI is stepping up as both the lead and coach in this game, its strategies promising to bring about a revolution in the educational space. AI comes in handy in so many ways. First, let's talk about personalized learning. Every student is unique, and everyone learns differently at their own pace. Imagine an AI coach that understands where a student is at in their learning journey and tailors the educational content accordingly. It doesn't matter if they are struggling or already a whiz, the AI adapts to their needs, ensuring that each learner can explore concepts at the pace that suits them best. Microsoft Azure's AI, with its deep learning and knowledge representation capabilities, can create a learning plan as individual as each learner, focusing on strengthening areas needing improvement while elevating knowledge gaps. Administrative tasks are, sadly, a necessary evil, and they can eat up a good part of teachers' time. Here's where you've got AI shining as a true superhero, taking on tasks such as grading tests, handling admissions, and even enrolling students in extracurricular activities. It enables educators to save a significant chunk of time and energy, allowing them to devote more precious time to interacting with students, providing support, and creating a more engaging educational atmosphere. In essence, Microsoft Azure's AI can help craft educational experiences that mirror real-life scenarios, giving students practical insights and skills that they can carry beyond the classroom walls into their personal and professional lives. Let me paint a picture for you. Using Microsoft's AI-based simulation tools, an educator can create an interactive and dynamic learning environment. Imagine students not just learning about business management but also managing a virtual company, experiencing trial and error, victory, and defeat in a hands-on simulation that teaches resilience, leadership, and strategy, making learning an immersive journey. Think about how AI is a game-changer for educators too. With AI, teachers can dive into data-driven insights without feeling overwhelmed by the technical demands of big data analytics. Azure provides AI tools that help educators identify patterns and trends with minimal learning curve, making it easier to tailor their teaching approaches and support the individual needs of each student. And the beauty of it? Microsoft and its visionary team have not stopped at just being the leading force but have embraced the open source spirit, sharing their expertise with the educational community to help build an inclusive and robust AI-powered ecosystem. Teachers and students can unite, learning to code and develop their AI skills right from their educational platforms. Open-sourced Microsoft Azure tools for AI in education promote transparency and ensure that educational tools are free from bias, giving students from all backgrounds equal opportunity to prosper. In the grand scheme, empowering educators with AI tools fostered by Microsoft Azure isn't just a win for educators, it's a significant leap forward for the educational system as a whole. Students in an AI-powered classroom can receive immediate, relevant feedback, personalized learning paths, and engage in interactive education experiences. It's learning that's as realistic and engaging as real life and makes knowledge a delight to acquire, with technology acting as an enabler. We are talking about a system where intelligence is democratized, where learning becomes not just more accessible but also more impactful. Let's not forget the financial impact. In implementing AI effectively and efficiently, educational institutions stand to gain considerable savings they can redirect towards classroom experiences, books, field trips, and more. And hey, it's not just about saving money. It's using technology that doesn't just work smarter, but works with the environment, ensuring energy-efficient, greener operations that future generations can be proud of. As we look towards the future, I can't help but feel a surge of optimism about the role of educators and AI. The synergy between teachers and AI in the education sphere heralds a wave of positive change. It's all about making education inclusive, engaging, and impactful, and Microsoft Azure is leading the charge. At the end of the day, it's all about community and shared vision to elevate the education landscape. I've been on the cloud side of it, dealing with Azure as a senior cloud architect and helping educational institutions navigate through these digital times. To empower educators, Microsoft Azure brings forth a toolbox, a resource that ensures no learner is left behind. Educators don't just teach, they inspire awe and curiosity as they navigate through an AI-driven learning environment. To stay updated and delve deeper into the empowering role of AI in education, I highly recommend visiting neeraj.qzid.io and subscribing to TechLab. It's a treasure trove of insights and updates straight from the front line, shared by industry specialists like me right here. They share stories, innovations, and practical tips that will give you a true sense of the tech revolution in education. So, let's spread this wave of empowerment. Remember, education doesn't just stop with learning from textbooks, it's about igniting minds, shaping futures, and creating a better world. And with AI in educators' hands, thanks to companies like Microsoft, it's not just possible, it's an unfolding reality. So, here's to a brighter future, where education is empowered, students grow to their fullest potential, and educators become the ever-vital heroes of our society. Join me in keeping an eye on TechLab, where progress and innovation in AI and education meet. Until our next tech enlightening conversation, take care.